Yeah, so it blends in.
This one should go
So
back.
It's kind of funny the way it is.
Like,
You look at it and you go, no.
he had one.
Screw on it.
No, it doesn't. That's
No.
where your other pieces.
It catches right here.
It clips right in there.
Yeah, you kind of have to bend it down with the hair so it can ride over where there's a lip.
Oh, plenty, thank goodness.
It fits in there.
A couple pennies.
So my daughter.
That's all locks in place.
You want to
Are
hear
you
about
recording this right now?
this year?
On AK file.
The one that I got, it kind of looks like it comes on the Polish cantle. It's the wire one, but then it's flat.
That's what I have.
Yeah.
That's what I have. I've got one of those.
That's what I ordered.
As a matter of fact, I bought it from Josh.
Yeah.
That's how I know Josh. I bought a bunch of stuff off of him.
Yeah.
This is a lot nicer.
Yeah, that's how I know.
Yeah.
Oh, about a year now I've known
The bolts probably need to be tightened on this one.
Yeah.
They usually, after a while,
It was
they
off
come
of
loose.
Fashion Island, just on the other side of the bay. And I'm
Oh, yeah.
around here
somewhere.
Dude, I'm gonna go pull out my gun.
Alright, anyone seen a wire brush?
It's been probably 30 minutes.
You know, I haven't seen a wire brush
I
all
had-
day that I've been here.
I had one that I used on the barbecue, but that's for the barbecue.
Yeah, that's trash. That's there.
Oh, it's a jumper.
I don't see one around.
I'd take it and probably clean out around the rim, and it'll give you the impression like it's there, but it's not.
Yeah. You're right.
Because I
No,
got a
that's far.
head that I'm going to make my own like this. So I want to draw this out as the template.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I can make that. So you cut the notch in there for the trigger.
I didn't. I'll cut this for the trigger guard bit.
How's it look?
But
Then you
It's like a hair.
Yeah, that's where you all saw me to go, and you went too far.
How much of a hair? Want to take a look?
So
That's
what
got
is?
I made a pistol. I cut down the barrel.
Oh! I thought
Those
this
are my
was
barrel
for.
stubs.
I thought this was for.
A little bit more, right?
Just a hair.
It's you can.
That's where it gets complicated.
Like I have to. I have to
Heat it, you can quench it.
So yeah, and it'll
Yeah.
harder.
But then it doesn't do. It's not concave. Flat.
No, I have a concave one. I have the one with the hole in it.
Yeah.
To set it.
Now I need a flat blade screwdriver.
I have a flat one. Or if you're doing like a cord, you want to flatten it.
Right.
And I have a concave one around here somewhere. So I think it's in my toolbox.
Yeah, no, I haven't seen that.
Yeah, I used it earlier.
So, yeah, but anyway, I'd like to tell you that. And then there was one that was here that has a bolt in it.
Yeah, he used bolts for his.